before we jump back in, I want to talk about this word ruthless, because I know it's, under normal circumstances, pretty off-putting, and I get that. It's not often associated with anything positive. And the definition, having or showing no pity or compassion for certain factors. Now, typically, when we're talking about ruthlessness, we're talking about, people, right? Certain people, certain types of people. But here, in this context, in the context of equity, I'm talking about certain factors. Because ruthlessness in this context is about simply this. There are factors that matter and factors that don't matter, that cannot matter in the way we want them to matter. And we're going to talk about that and put that in a context. And with equity, those factors that don't matter in the way we traditionally have them matter, you've got to be able to stiff arm those things. You've got to be able to. You've got to be ruthless about that, because they're going to be in your face all the time. You're back in school with your kids, and congratulations on that. But I know the pressure you're under. I just picture every teacher you get your class list of kids, and then the 15 things wrong with every kid. And it's sometimes a challenge to think about how you can ensure equity under those conditions. But I'm going to help you with that. I also associate ruthlessness with excellence.